I'm here today on Magpie Hall Road in Chatham to show you this 2-bedroom mid-terrace property which is coming to the market with no chain. Let's go and take a look around inside. Upstairs, this property is particularly spacious. Originally a 3-bedroom, which has now been converted into an upstairs separate bathroom. You then have 2 other separate bedrooms, one of which we're standing in here, which is a really good size double with built-in wardrobes. And you also have a separate study area or nursery, which is an ideal space if you're looking for somewhere quiet. Upstairs, you have a spacious loft with further potential to extend, subject to planning permission, and already houses a Velux window. To the rear of the property is the garden which we're standing in now, which is 70 foot long and also boasts a garage to the rear which has vehicle access from the back, ideal for extra parking or further storage. Also to the front of the property you have an overlooking the allotments, and this property is ideally located for Chatham town centre, high-speed rail station and also its local school catchment area. If you're interested in calling this house your home, then please get in touch today on the details that follow.